Hi everyone, I'm Jack Church along with my beautiful bride Pam Church behind the camera today, and welcome to Central Coast Homes and Weather. We are in a beautiful condominium here in Shell Beach, California, and I want to tell you, this one has been updated and upgraded this much, maybe this much. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's in Spindrift Village where we've taken you before. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit with unbelievable ocean views. In fact, Pam will tilt around there and you're going to see what I'm talking about. This is your view from the living and dining room areas. Absolutely gorgeous. You're literally just steps away from the ocean, as well as that big, beautiful clubhouse. But we want to talk about the interior. Once you come here and experience this type of luxury, you're never going to want to go anywhere else. Take a look as we come through this beautiful kitchen. Fantastic updating is taking place here. Beautiful new countertops, beautiful fixtures. Over here, this is really high-end appliances. You can see this is a 5-burner gas stove. Beautiful oven there as well. Look at that range hood up above. Cabinets have been redone as well. Stainless steel on all these appliances, of course, including your refrigerator. And then as you look all the way around this unit, it's a very spacious kitchen and living combination area. Everybody wants that open concept, and you have it. Take a look at that fireplace, a gas starter fireplace. And you can see the cathedral ceilings above. Lighting has been redone. If you'd like to see the bedrooms and bathrooms, all you have to do is get in touch with us, and of course we can arrange a private showing for you here at Spindrift Village. I want to mention as well, the Homeowners Association here is fantastic. Yes, you have HOA fees, but they cover water, sewer, trash, all exterior maintenance, and don't forget that beautiful clubhouse down there as well. This unit right now is on the market for $925,000. We'd love to represent you and make your dream come true of living here along the beautiful Central Coast of California. Again, back out there though, there's those $1 million views we talked about, $1 million views that don't cost $1 million. And if you'd like to know more about this, contact us here at Central Coast Homes and Weather. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel under the same name as well. Also at Facebook, you can call us, message us, however you want to get in touch with us, and we will show you this beautiful unit here at Spindrift Village in Shell Beach, California.